because the glass would interfere with the fingers. So in such case, we have a special kind of handle, which is the 650 and the 660. The 650 handle is what we stock because this has the screw from one side, and the 660 has the screws from the other side, just like the 620. So we do not keep 660 as the stock. 650 is the one that we stock. Again, it comes in three fork lengths: 650, 650M, 650L, 21 millimeters, 27 millimeters, and 37 millimeters. This is the Global Series single point locking handle, which is 607T, and this portion is fitted on the frame, and this handle gets fitted on the sash. And when you close the sash and operate the handle, this portion goes into the component here, and that's how the window gets locked, and the locking happens only at this point. So it's a single point locking. With the handle, a series of packers come to accommodate different profiles, because different profiles would have different difference of depth between the frame surface and the sash surface. So to take care of those differences, the handle packing kit comes with packers. For the frame portion, you have packers 1 millimeter thick, 2, 2.5, 3 and 4 millimeter thick. And for the handle part, you have packers 5 millimeter thick and 3 millimeter thick. Okay, now we have the Millennium series, which is the second series of handles from Alu Alpha. Okay, in the Millennium series, this is the 540 handle. Again, will not be used because these screws will be from the other side, and this is suitable for a Z profile, and this is not suitable for a T profile kind of work. Variant of 540, 540K, K means with the key. The 515, equivalent of 615 in the Global series, we have 515, and this is for doors, mortise portion of the doors. Here, the maximum width that you can go to is 60 millimeters for the profile. The 505, just like the 605, another mortise handle lock, mortise lock handle, and here the maximum depth of the profile possible is 55 millimeters. The 508 is again used for multi-point locking and UPVC work. The dimensions are suitable for UPVC working also, and the screw heads are covered by this cover, which tilts when you are putting in the screws here, and then you tilt it back so that the screws are not visible. The 520 handle, like the 620 handle in the Global series, in the Millennium series, the equivalent is 520 handle. Again, not much in use because this is suitable for a Z profile, since the screws are from the other side of the profiles. it comes in two variants, 520 and 520L. 520 is the fork length is 19 millimeters, 520L the fork length is 27.5 millimeters. The 520K, a variant of the 520, same handle with a key. The 510, this is a good handle for 2-point locking. 610 in the global series is a handle suitable for multi-point locking, while this handle is good to go for 2-point locking because the internal mechanism in the 610 is very robust. There is a gear inside and that is a very robust gear. The 510 does not have that robust gear. Therefore, it may not be able to take the load that may bear upon the gear when you have more than 2 points locking. Therefore, recommended mostly for 2-point kind of locking. It has different fork lengths, 510 and 510L, 14 millimeters and 27.5 millimeters. A variant of the 510 is the 511, where you have a slot here and you can adjust wherever you want to put the pin. .510K, a variant of the 510 only. The additional thing is it has a key to it. The 533, again not much in use. Why? Because this is for a Z profile and the screws are from the other side. Normally in India we have a T profile and this is not